Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English World Easy. My name is Nikita and today I have completed my 75 minutes daily task and this is day 33 video of 75 days hard challenge. So guys, without delay, today I am going to share to all of you some tips and how to speak about your daily routines in English, because I think this is the important part of our English journey, and it's helpful to speaking English. It will improve your English. So I am going to tell about my daily routine. Listen to me carefully. First of all, guys, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, then I मैं बेड ठीक करती हूँ. Then I clean my bed and some things proper in the way. Okay, after that I wash my face and hand. Then I brush my teeth. Okay, after that I take shower. Then I get up fresh, and after that I ready for worship. After that, sometimes I do exercise. 20 minutes. Okay, then I prepare breakfast with my mother and sister. Then I take breakfast in 10 a.m. Okay, after that I take coffee, and after that I wash the clothes and dishes means bartan dena. Then after that I do some work with my mother, and then I study at least 2 hours. Then I take my lunch at 1 p.m. After that, sometimes at least 15 to 20 minutes I nap. I take nap. Okay. After that, again I study. I listen English conversation podcast on YouTube. Okay. Then I make a tea. I make tea. After that, I do something work, and at evening I prepared dinner, and at 8 p.m. I take dinner with my family, and last after dinner I use mobile and laptop, and also record video. Then I sleep. So guys, this is my daily routine. I hope this is useful video to all of you. That's all. Thank you guys.